Hey YouTube, guess what we're doing today? What are we doing today, Monkey?
We're
at the Good of the Land Fest here in Lindale, Texas, and you know what? We're gonna go see some awesome people today, so stay tuned so we can have more fun. Monkey Boy, what do you say?
Hi.
Yeah!
These smelting ingots. That's so cool. Look at that. You see that fire right there? Look at that fire. Can you see that fire? That's so cool. Yeah, that is awesome.
Alright, you're too tall.
You've been doing this for a while.
You really want to wait until you hear it hit. Kill it. Now here's the fun part. I put it in too far.
He did it!
Watch out, boys. Come on this side. Alright, go ahead. One of the main issues is you gotta make sure your wood's cut straight. It's really hard to do. And we're still a little bit afraid of it. Are you afraid of it? See? It's only live. What? There you go, unedited. So we're gonna keep it running. You guys know Liam Hoffman?
That is so cool. This is what splits wood. Well, back in the old days. I'm not sure if they use this anymore, but this is what they used to split wood. What do you see? You see those? Alright.
Sorry. Yeah, way to go. Block the shot, Justin.
Block the shot.
There's Justin running the hand crank for the forge. Say hi, Justin.
What's up, guys? How are y'all?
Hey, Justin, get it going, man.
Might come out of grill.
Where's that gasoline?
Too many witnesses, Justin.
Camera fight.
Whoa! Look!
Camera fight.
Camera fight! What's up, Rich? Thought you weren't coming down.
Why would I not be coming down?
Magically done.
This guy right here, in the plaid shirt, that's Hand Tool Rescue. Basically what he's doing is he's the one that fixes all the old tools that people come out, people have, and he'll take them apart, fix them, get them running again.
This is very technical.
All right, you guys, I want you all to turn, look at the pond. Do-Right Fabrication, are you ready to launch that cannon? Okay, we got a thumbs up.
Well, pretty much at cost right now, just trying to learn it.